welcome to Cafe de Luna's Kitchen. Tonight I'm gonna show you guys how I make my creamy lemon shrimps pasta. And these are all the ingredients that I prepared here. First, our Parmesan cheese, whole lemon, a tablespoon of red pepper flakes, fresh chopped parsley, butter, heavy whipping cream, olive oil, fresh chopped garlic, diced shallot, our fettuccine, and then we also have gonna need white wine, and then I have here just a pound of peeled shrimps, salt and pepper to taste. Let's start it. So let's just turn on our stove to high heat, and then put the butter in the pan, add the olive oil. Let's just spread it, and then in this pot we are going to make our pasta. So we're going to start boiling our water, and then I'm gonna add some salt and some olive oil as well. Okay, so now we are going to wait until the water is boiling before we are going to put our pasta. Okay. So now we're gonna start putting our garlic. Let's just saute it until it gets kind of like golden brown, the color of the garlic, and then we are gonna start adding our shallot. So now it's starting golden brown. We're gonna start adding our shallot, our red pepper flakes, it smells very nice. And then we're also like gonna start adding our shrimps. Smells very good. And then I am going to put some lemon zest. This is already washed, so it's clean. So when you're getting the lemon zest, you have to be careful when you grind it, so you won't get the white skin, because the white skin of the lemon, it gets bitter. Okay, mix it. I am going to start to add some white wine, and then I am going to add a half of the Knorr cube to add some flavor of our creamy lemon shrimps pasta. There you go. Okay. And then I'm going to turn down a medium heat our stove, add the lemon juice, smells so good, so good. And then last, we are going to add our heavy whipping cream now. This is something very easy to make and very flavory dish. Add some black pepper. Okay, I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese. This is why it's called creamy lemon shrimps pasta. Okay. So I'm gonna get a small spoon to try it, and if it's like enough salt and black pepper. If it's not, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. So creamy, very easy. So I'm gonna add a little bit of It's very good though. Some salt, the taste of the lemon, and the has a little bit of pinch of spiciness. It's really good. It's really good. Oh my gosh. You guys would love this. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. This is really nice. Add some more pepper and a pinch of salt. And after a minute, I'm going to turn it off the stove because we don't want our shrimps to get overcooked while we are waiting for our to boil the water in this pot. Okay, so our water is boiling now. We are going to start putting our fettuccine pasta and cooking this pasta. It's just like about 7 minutes. Let's turn this off. Okay. Few more minutes, and then we're going to turn off our stove and mix this pasta in our creamy shrimp sauce. So I'm going to drain our pasta now. And mix it in here. Smells very good. Add more pasta. So here is my creamy lemon shrimp pasta. This is very quick meal weeknight recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye!